Good afternoon. You often hear us use the phrase no 2 days the same. That's exactly what's happening across the UK at the moment. This was yesterday's satellite picture. Hardly a cloud in the sky across England and Wales, but for most of Scotland and Northern Ireland, it was a disappointing afternoon. That front has sunk south. Lots of cloud today across England and Wales, but plenty of sunshine further north and west. But one unifying factor is we've lost that heat. On Tuesday afternoon, we saw highs of 24 degrees. Widely across the country, we had the low 20s. But today it's a much fresher feel with 16 or 17 at the very best. In fact, some places on North Sea coast will probably only get highs of around 12 or 13 degrees. And one of the reasons for this, with that cloud, that weather front continues to push its way steadily south and east, and it's introducing something a little bit cooler and fresher from the north. That's also going to have an impact through the night. It will be a chilly night for many places, low single figures up into the north and west. And it's certainly worth bearing in mind if you're a gardener or grower that in Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England in rural parts, we could actually see a touch of light grass frost first thing on Thursday morning. But Thursday will be quite a quiet day. We still got that nagging northerly breeze just driving in more cloud along those North Sea facing coasts. West will be best in terms of sunshine and potentially warmth, but a good deal of dry weather still continues in the story. 11 to 13 degrees on the east coast, further west 15 or 17 the high. Almost spot the difference on Friday, but there will be a weak weather front just brushing with the extreme north and west, certainly bringing more cloud and showery outbreaks of rain to the northern and western Isles. Here 11 degrees the high. But values starting to creep up a little into Friday. And that is good news because the high pressure looks set to stay with us as we move out of the working week into the weekend. A good deal of dry weather in the story. So that still bodes well for the royal wedding, or if you've got street parties outside, the weather is set fair. In fact, there could be a little more sunshine around and we're likely to see highs of 20 degrees. Now, if you have got a street party, it looks as though that fine weather extends right across the country. Just a little bit more cloud into the extreme northwest, but largely dry for all and a reasonable feel out there. Highs of 15 to 21.